What if a robot could see, understand, learn, and make decisions almost like a human? This is no longer science fiction. AI-powered robots are already working in factories, hospitals, warehouses, farms, hotels, laboratories, and even exploring other planets. Robotics has existed for decades, but when robotics combines with artificial intelligence, machines become flexible, autonomous, and better at handling complex environments. What is a robot? It's a machine that performs physical tasks. Some repeat the same movement. Others adapt and can work alongside humans or in dangerous places. AI lets robots recognize patterns, process sensor data, and make decisions, making them much more adaptable than traditional fixed instruction robots. Robots use cameras, depth sensors, microphones, GPS, and more to understand the world. AI interprets this info to help robots identify people, objects, and machines. In factories, AI robots improve quality inspection, sort products, and optimize workflows. In hospitals, they assist with logistics and support medical teams. On farms, AI robots monitor crops, identify weeds, and collect data. In warehouses, they move inventory and optimize routes to speed up order fulfillment. Home robots like vacuum cleaners are common today. Future assistants may help with chores and accessibility, but fully versatile home robots are still in the works. Self-driving cars and delivery robots use AI to understand complex environments and make safe decisions. This tech is still being developed and tested. In space, robotic rovers explore hostile environments. AI helps analyze data and navigate, driving scientific discoveries far from Earth. Robots won't replace everyone. They handle specific tasks, while humans excel in creativity, empathy, and judgment, skills machines can't replicate. Building intelligent robots is tough. Real world is unpredictable. Moving objects, changing light, weather, and human behavior make safe adaptation complex. The future? More collaborative robots in factories, smarter farm bots, home assistants, emergency responders, and deeper space explorers. Robots provide the body. AI provides decision-making. Together, they assist people in remarkable ways, solving real problems responsibly. AI-powered robotics is changing how humans work with machines. And this incredible journey has only just begun. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more AI tutorials, robotics explainers, and tech insights. Let's explore the future together.